I have a big challenge in my hands because I think this is big. It's a game changer. I think this knowledge I'm going to show you here will change our culture, will change humanity. I'm not just a scientist, a very precise, detailed knowledge about a molecule, but something I think, I dream someday will be in primary school. I can't tell you exactly why, but I woke up one day in a world where I could see and most people around me couldn't see. So everybody is blind about this. Not everybody, I don't know about you, but most of the people, it is blind. So it is not that I am special, I am a guru. No. I think everybody, this myth about energy, it's present within our culture in movies, we want to see energy like a huge improvement of consciousness. There are almost every metaphysic ancient knowledge has mentioned this energy as something you can measure with your eyes. And we're gonna get there. I am going to break down this all metaphysics, and I'm going to show you by the logic path how you can get there, how you can see energy yourself, this biological function you own, but you don't know how to use it because nobody switched the turn on. So I am going to do that, to switch on something it's inside of you, to not because you are not aware. This is hard to explain because you are aware of energy around you, but you cannot see it. You can't remember you see it, but you do. Remembering is not the right word. I mean, it's like, for example, water for the fish. Someday you realize you've been swimming in water, and you can daily experience energy, but it's an unconscious level. So we're going to dive down there. We're going to flashlight these dark places of your consciousness, and it will be maybe a bumpy road, but at the end, it's great. It's to be, because if you increase your consciousness, the bubble of consciousness you are becomes greater, becomes wider. Your experience of life, it's wider, it's bigger. Welcome to my channel. This is Yoga and Perception. My name is Zek. I am a strange mix between a scientist and a yogi. I went to university in LA for engineering, to study for engineering, and I work with I built restaurants, but that's another story. And on the other hand, in my private life, I'm a yogi, a studio bag of yogi. I go every studio in every city I go. I always go to yoga practice. So I made the teacher, the mastery, to be a yoga teacher. But I will not teach you yoga here. Well. If you are a beginner and you want to start with yoga, this is not your place. This is a place for people who is into yoga, or for people who is looking to improve their perception of life.